Okay, so this is Podemski number 12. And again, we're just going to take it down, just take it nice and easy, read along and listen along, and then try to play along. And so I'm going to take the tempo down from 88 so that it makes it a little bit easier to get the idea of the piece. On your own, you're going to want to start cranking that tempo up a little bit more. All right, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 and 1 E and a 2 Right. So some very tricky rhythms written out in there, and so you're really going to want to listen and read along. Make sure that you're getting those correct. All right.